Hello friends, welcome to KL Tutorial Point. Thank you for your support. For more knowledge, please do subscribe, like and share to your friends. In this video, I am going to explain about Let us move into the topic. Least common multiple LCM. The least number which is exactly divisible by each of the given numbers is called least common multiple of those numbers. That means the least number which is exactly divisible by each of the given number is known as LCM. Okay friends, let us move into examples. To find the LCM by factorization method. Before going into examples, we have to remember the 4 steps to find the LCM of given numbers. In this first step, express the given numbers in their exponential form. That means first we have to find prime factors by prime factorization method. Second step, take every base. That means we have to take every factors. Third step, assign the respective greatest exponent to each base. That means we have to find the highest powered base. Fourth step, take the product of the above. That means we have to find product of highest powered number. Now let us go into example. Find the LCM of 60 and 75. First, we have to find prime factors of 60 and 75. Prime factors of 60. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 6, 6 into 5 60, and their exponential form is 2 square into 3 into 5. Prime factors of 75. 3 into 5 15, 15 into 5 75, and their exponential form is 3 into 5 square. According to first step, we have converted both the numbers into their exponential form, and now according to second step, we have to take every factors. In the both given numbers, they are 2, 3 and 5 are common factors. Therefore 2 into 3 into 5. According to third step, now we have to take highest powered base to do product of the numbers. Two square into 3 power is 1 and 5 highest power is 2, therefore 5 square. Now we have to do product to these numbers. 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and 12 into 25 300. Therefore LCM of 60 and 75 is 300. Now let us do example 2. Find the LCM of 16, 24, 36, 54. That means we have to find LCM for given numbers 16, 24, 36, 54. First, we have to find 5 factors of 16. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. And its exponential form is 2 power 4. Prime factors of 24. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. And its exponential form is 2 power 3 into 3. Prime factors of 36. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. And its exponential form is 2 square into 3 square. Exponent prime factors for 54. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 12 into 3, 54. Therefore, exponential form is 2 into 3 square. According to second step, take every base. That means here 2 and 3 is common base. And there is only 2 bases, 2 into 3. Here 2 highest power is 4. Therefore 2 power 4. Here 3 highest base is 3. Therefore 3 power 3. Then we have to product these two numbers. That means 2 power 4 is equal to 16 and 3 power 3 is 27 is equal to 432. That means LCM of 16, 24, 36, 54 is 432.